Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Brindra Yogi, a born teacher. As defined by Shakespeare, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. Beloved friends, I was a born teacher because this is my natural talent. I love learning, I love teaching. And you will see in the history, Newton was a physicist, also I being a physicist. Einstein was a physicist, Elon Musk is a physicist, J.C. Bose, S.N. Bose, D.N. Bose, Saha and Srivastava, lot of Indian great scientists were really physicists, and they have natural talents and ability to teach students. And the very example of this can be depicted when I was a student of physics honors in LS College, Bihar University. It was something like 70 kilometers from my native place, village, Samastipur, and the village was Keshopatti, Rampur Keshopatti. I have to travel 65 kilometers to go to LS College and study physics honors. But Samastipur started physics honors and I joined Samastipur College by giving 200 rupees donations in 1973. They did not accept my talents. They asked some donation and I have to give something like 200 rupees that time. Dear friends, but I was a natural teacher. In that college, none of the professors knew the honors subject because this was the beginning, but I mastered subject. I have the brain. I always believed in my power of brain. Nobody taught me anything. I learned everything myself. Where there is a will, there is a way. So I always believed that I am also having the supreme, intricate and accurate machine that is called the brain of the human being. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve. And so I learned everything myself. I mastered the honors subject. Beloved friends, but this Samastipur college lacked experimental facilities. So when there was exam, the university was initially Bihar University. LS College was the campus. There was the center of Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. Then it is split in two parts. It became Mithila University and it became Bihar University. I become first in the honors exam, including both universities, Bihar University and Mithila University. This is because of my being my own teacher. I taught myself mastery. Dear friends, when Newton had no classes, he used to go to the empty classroom and start teaching because we are stimulated, we are excited, we are enthusiastic and energetic to teach, to share the knowledge and the wisdom with the people. Even now you see, because of pandemic, the coronavirus, COVID-19, it has shut down everything in this campus of GVK EMRI, but I am teaching. I am teaching to the trees, to the plants, to the stars, to the sun, to the moon. And I am teaching that you are blessed with some natural talents. You have some natural affinity and attitude. Develop that attitude. Don't go somewhere where you don't have natural interest, because you can never become great unless you love something what you do. That's the statement of Steve Jobs. Love what you do. That is the statement of Elon Musk, the great physicist, the scientist who has got the Tesla motors and also SpaceX and also Solar City. Dear friends, this is really the passion and love. But I am not that great, as I have narrated you so many great people in my life because of my background. I was born in the poorest family, but I broke the record. When I was a student of Samastipur College, Samastipur, Bihar, I used to teach a lot of students of my physics honors. They used to come to my home, traveling 15 kilometers by cycle to the remote area of Rampur Keshopatti near Ujiarpur, beloved friends. And always I did that. Natural talents, the intelligent substance was with me. And this I learned from one of the greatest, Kabir Das, who said, "You seek, you will find. Jin khojat in paya. Those who sought, they found." Knock the door will open for you. And ask, it will be answered. I was answered. But unfortunately, there were a lot of demons, as it is natural. Everywhere there are villains, there are crooked people. Virendra Kumar Dwivedi, B.K. Dwivedi was the head of department of the Samastipur College. I tell you one incident. Because Bihar is famous for unfair means in the exam, and B.K. Dwivedi being the head of the department of physics honors, he was talking to us. We were near about 20 students. And he was telling, and I quote, now the scene has changed. One IAS officer was deputed as the Vice Chancellor of Bihar University, and he was very strict. He stopped all kind of unfair means in the exams. So he was very much afraid. He has collected 200 rupees each from students just for donation, and he promised them that he will approach to the examiners and make them everyone honored by degree in physics honors. But he said it is very difficult now because the Vice Chancellor is an IAS officer and is very strict. Now nobody can get PhD honors, means physics honors. Then he was just getting some idea. He asked everyone, can anybody dare to get honors by dint of his own talents, by virtue of his own ability and capability? I raised my hand. I stood up and said, yes, I can do it. He started beating me, slapping me, abusing me, telling, you think that I am the best, that you are the best and others are fool. This, what I should say. He was Virendra Kumar Dwivedi. This bloody died. These are the gurus in India, you see. These are the teachers, bloody. Instead of inspiring and motivating people, they are deploring, demeaning, insulting the students. And I was not taught to be like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Bose. I could have slapped this idiot. The Virendra Kumar Dwivedi, the black sheep, I could have slapped him, but I was taught in a very polite and gentle way. That was the sad part of it. But later on I became a brave. Now I am Hercules. I cannot spare anyone. I can do really a very valiant job. At that time I tolerated. But I replied him. When I wrote the exam, the questions paper were very easy for me. And this was a centralized examination in Mithila University, that is Darbhanga. There is a place called Darbhanga, Lahariya Sarar. So there was a central exam. All the colleges sent their students there in that university. And I was sitting there. Then all of a sudden I saw a host of crowds coming, tearing the question paper, snatching the answer sheet. I just hid everything in this back pocket. I ran to the principal chamber and told, sir, they are disturbing, they are not allowing to write the exam, but I am master of the subject. He told, sit there and write. I sit in the chamber of the principal, who was the controller of the exam, wrote. And when the exam was over, then there was a turn for the practical examination. Unfortunately, there were no instruments, equipments in Samastipur College, Samastipur. No teacher taught me how to do experimentation, but I have theoretical knowledge. So when I was doing some exam, I learned some theory I was practicing. And of course I could not perform the result experiment very well. And there was a professor from LS College, Srivastava. He gave me only 55 marks in my experimentation. But once the exam was over, I went to meet the head of department of Samastipur College, Professor C.R. Ram Singh. He was also examiner for the theoretical papers, and he said, Virendra, you have become first in the whole university of two, Mithila and Bihar University, because it was theoretical testing going on there. Beloved friends, I am a teacher. I will teach myself. Even now I am teaching myself. That is because of my self-belief, self-reliance, self-courage, conviction, determination, passion, and believing in my own power of dignity and personality. Learn from it. Buddha has been his own teacher. Vivekananda luckily got some teacher. But unless you have your self-motivation, self-inspiration, you cannot become something exceptionally brilliant. So what I mean to say, you are born to do certain tasks, discover that, and then put your best and become something very useful and productive to the society. Today, my role is in the GVKMRI to induce this kind of self-belief, self-confidence, courage, conviction, determination, and passion. Love what you do and do what you love and glorify your character and personality. Don't be a mediocre because of your inefficiency in activity and waste your time. Management of time is very important. Health, mind power, and coherently putting your body and mind in your task to become excellent human being for the world over. Thank you very much, viewers. Thank you.